Hi, I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. I can't wait to tell you about our pattern Ditty Bags 2.0, which includes instructions for handy zippered bags in 3 sizes. We all have stuff to organize, protect, carry, and store, and these practical little bags are the perfect solution. The variety of sizes makes them versatile for so many uses, and their unisex design makes them a perfect gift for men, women, or children. Ditty Bags 2.0 are constructed of fabric stabilized with Soft and Stable, so the bags have great body and stability and really stand up and hold their shape. If you've made our Easy Does It bag, you'll love learning some new techniques as you make these simple bags. Like Easy Does It, the Ditty Bag's zippered top extends partway down each side, providing easy access to all the bag's contents. Handles on each end make it easy to open and close the zipper or carry the bag. Unlike Easy Does It, which has a front and a back joined by a zipper side strip loop, the body of Ditty Bags is made with one piece of quilted fabric. It wraps around to form the top, front, bottom, and back of the bag. Bag sides are attached to finish the bag. The skills learned as you make Ditty Bags 2.0 are a great introduction to Get Out of Town and Travel Duffel Bag, which are made in a similar manner. There are so many ways to use these versatile and stylish bags. The small bag will carry your most important beauty supplies or other personal items and is sized to fit easily in many bags or purses. Not too small and not too big, the medium case fits neatly into a larger bag and will carry and protect a variety of supplies, such as chargers, cords, and earbuds. Or use it to corral rotary cutters, replacement blades, scissors, and other sewing supplies when you're headed to class or a retreat. For more than the basics, the spacious large bag holds bottles, brushes, and more. It's perfect for organizing everything when you travel. Use it to organize a diaper bag. It's perfect to hold diapers, wipes, a change of clothes, and more. Or use more masculine fabrics for a great toiletry bag for a guy. The Ditty Bags 2.0 pattern includes step-by-step instructions to make these professionally finished bags in 3 convenient sizes. Ask for Ditty Bags 2.0 at your local quilt shop or find it at ByAnnie.com. If you have more questions, be sure to watch the A Closer Look video, which gives more info about gathering supplies and customizing the project. You are sure to love these versatile zippered bags, and they make great gifts for anyone. We can't wait to see what you make, so be sure to share pictures of your finished projects with us. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by using @PatternsByAnnie. Be sure, too, to enter our monthly photo contest. Thank you so much for watching. Happy stitching!